Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. We're going to go back through the Weed Whacker STIHL KM56RC. I'm going to talk about an attachment that I've got, but real quickly, just going through some safety stuff real quick. Got my 3M hearing protections, Bluetooth, drowns out the unwanted sounds while you're listening to music. Don't forget you need a good set of gloves. And then I've got this special attachment. I've been using it for a while. It's a STIHL attachment for an edger. So if you take a look at some of my other videos, you'll see the other attachments that I've got and stuff. Just real quickly, whenever you're doing it, I always leave the top on, the one that's not getting used. This way you don't get dirt or grease in. I'm sorry, you want to keep the grease in there. You don't want dirt and debris in there. Doesn't hurt every once in a while to put a little extra grease in there. All you're going to do is just unloosen the wing nut, pull that out, take the cap off. Put the cap on the other one. Put that off to the side. This again, it just lines up. There's a tooth. It lines up in here with a tooth. Make sure it's in all the way, and then just tighten the wing nut. So just pretty basic with the wheel. You operate it on the edging. Obviously, you can see I haven't edged in a while on the walk. You just run it down and go from there. So we'll give it a start. I'll show you, do a little edging. Alright guys, so that's it right now. I'll come back with a shovel and clean that all up. And then you could really clean the edges up just by putting the weed whacker portion on for the stringer. Putting that back on and hitting that as well. If you give me a minute, I'll be right back.
I'm going to switch back to the string. Just make sure you don't get any dirt or dust in there. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to grab the leaf blower, clean this all up. Alright guys, welcome back. We're using the Black Pack BR600 to clean the walk now that it's all edged up. So, prime it. Alright, so there you go guys. That's a quick one on the etcher. It's a good attachment. Everything's overgrown here as I redo it to make it better. But more to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Helps me bring more videos to you. Don't forget to check out the website, hardworkfeelsgood.com. Other than that guys, till next time. Don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. See ya.